Discover a world where virtual reality gaming with Sony's PSVR2. Get ready to experience a heightened gaming experience with improved visuals, audio, and more. Be prepared to be blown away. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Well, get ready to be immersed in a world of virtual reality gaming with the release of Sony's cutting-edge new device, the PSVR2. Get ready to experience a heightened gaming experience beyond your wildest dreams, with improved visuals, audio, wireless connection, 3D audio tech support, adaptive triggers, and HDR pass-through support. The possibilities for the future of virtual reality are endless, and the PSVR2 is key to making it a reality. Get ready to discover what this amazing technology has to offer and be prepared to be blown away. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Subscribe to MetaGen and keep watching to learn more about this amazing possibilities of Sony's PSVR2. With improved visuals, audio, and wireless connection, this technology is sure to revolutionize the world of virtual reality gaming. Don't miss out on the future of gaming. Go ahead and subscribe now. How does PlayStation VR's tech compare to the competition, and what can we learn from the earlier product launches when it comes to availability and pricing? Finally, the launch of the PSVR2 has arrived after 2 years of anticipation. It became available for purchase on February 22nd, 2023, and pre-orders were accepted as early as November 15th, so if you wanted to get your hands on one right away, you were in luck, but stock was limited. Now that it's here, we can see all the enhancements Sony has made in terms of hardware and features. From higher resolutions to frame rate upscaling technology, users can make some great experiences within their preferred gaming setup, or with a compatible PC, taking them further into virtual realms than ever before. There are also new adaptive trigger options offering more immersive gameplay compared with its predecessor, giving gamers even more control over their experience when playing anywhere from family fun games to Beat Saber to sports titles like Everybody's Golf VR. But what other advancements have been made? How does PlayStation stack up against Xbox alternatives considering price differences between them? Is there anything else that any consumer should consider besides sheer visual effect? The PSVR2 has been improved for comfort and ergonomics, now being lightweight with adjustable head straps and better padding to reduce discomfort. It's also wireless, so no more cables or wiring around your house. It also has an HDMI connection for compatible TVs, so you can easily switch from PC monitor setups. These improvements mean an even greater level of immersion for gamers. The HD OLED screen offers clear visuals and crisper audio delivered through headphones as part of Sony's 3D audio tech support feature. This makes it easy to move across multiple worlds while gaming, and the integrated sound system makes it comfortable to wear the headset for extended periods. So what features will the new PSVR2 headset have for comfortability? Let us know in the comments below, what features will the new PSVR2 headset have for comfortability? The PSVR2 headset is designed to give you an even more immersive experience with its updated features. From a single cable setup, improved optics and display panels, the upgraded headband design for better weight distribution, and a revised processor unit with enhanced tracking, you know you're getting the most out of your device. Plus, it also has HDR pass-through support, giving you access not just to PlayStation, but compatible TVs too. The adaptive triggers have been improved on in this model, which adds another level of control to games. From family titles like Beat Saber to sports games like Everybody's Golf VR, the choices are endless for all kinds of situations. To answer questions about what type of content can be found in this new environment, many popular gaming studios offer exciting collaborations crafted specifically within PlayStation's latest hardware mechanics, allowing gamers to get lost amidst realistic digital worlds uniquely tailored to the PlayStation system itself. This raises yet another question: what kind of possibilities await us once we have fully explored the realm of virtual reality? Obviously, at the time being available release game titles are limited, so let's eagerly look to the future to discover engaging activities that lay ahead for those willing to explore these exciting realms the technology is going to offer anytime soon. Are you ready to explore a whole new world of virtual reality? Well, the latest titles from the PSVR2 system offer a wide range of experiences, from space exploration to zombie battling adventures. It's really impressive how games have become more realistic with the PlayStation technology incorporated into home entertainment systems worldwide at amazing cost-effective prices. This leaves us wondering what types of activities will be available next. What kind of boundary-pushing innovation remains unseen, lurking on the horizon, offering fresh digital realms awaiting our discovery? Most importantly, what minimum requirements are necessary when preparing such a device as the PSVR2 headset to ensure a fully featured quality gaming experience every single time? Do you need the PlayStation 5 to use the PSVR2 headset? Yes, unfortunately it requires Sony's newest console if you want the best gaming experience. This means you'll need to upgrade your current tech to take full advantage of all the features this new device has to offer, from upgraded processor units with enhanced tracking capabilities, HDR pass-through support, improved visuals, and sound design. The original model had much more limit compared to its successor, having no wireless connection or 3D audio tech. How does this latest version compare when it comes to price performance benefits? Will gamers be willing to pay extra for graphical improvements and titles marked exclusively for VR environments? According to comparative studies, there hasn't been anything particularly revolutionary so far, just some incremental upgrades over the years. These are questions worth answering as developers start to integrate cutting-edge technologies not just into home entertainment systems worldwide while also keeping costs reasonable, not only for PlayStation alternatives like Xbox, but also for PC-compatible formats. What do you think? Is the PSVR2 headset worth the cost in comparison to other gaming systems? Share your thoughts with us and leave a comment down below. When it comes to visuals, the PSVR2 packs a powerful punch, having 4 times the pixel count of its predecessor, meaning objects look even sharper than ever and offer you immersion into a digital realm with even more realistic 3D audio tech support, creating a more immersive experience where you can literally feel the sound emanating from within rather than just hearing it as flat audio tracks. This creates a heightened sense of presence that really draws players deep into unknown lands. Another step forward is how PlayStation offers games specifically built for their headset mechanics, something not many alternatives can boast about except for Oculus Link titles for PC reality, virtual reality compatible systems. There have been some exciting collaborations crafted by developers exclusively for Sony's platform since launch day. This brings us to our final thought. When considering cost versus performance between all relevant hardware platforms when immersed directly via virtual reality, Xbox included, what factors do we need to consider beyond sheer graphical output capabilities? Is quality gameplay still considered a key priority over providing meaningful content that users actually enjoy, rather than going down the sole route of visual fidelity alone? The PSVR2 has improved features to reduce glare and it now supports Fresnel lenses, an industry standard for many other headsets. This technology gives users a better view of their environment without the discomfort caused by intense light and reflections that were present in past models. The controllers have also been improved. You no longer need to wrap your hands around rubberized handles. Instead, curved grips provide natural ergonomics that fit barehanded or with gloves. All triggers will now feature adaptive level control, allowing players to seamlessly shift between levels with proper adjustments made according to magnetic resistance depending on user input. Plus, unlike traditional motions where camera mounts remain static behind one direction, virtual reality hand tracking performance permits 6 degrees of freedom forward and backward side when reaching out into space. Vacuum seals isolate each finger movement rather than actuating through pressing buttons only within plane access limitations. This is outside of the ranges ever achievable so far from competitors' products who licensed their biometric design some time ago, but never released anything until recently. Would people be willing to purchase devices again just for the advanced hardware, even considering the same external cost parameters exist? The PSVR2 Sense controllers are a huge step up from the outdated Move controllers. Not only do they have greatly improved precision and accuracy for gamers, but they also have thumbsticks that make them easy to use even in complicated environments. Sony has gone one step further by adding adaptive triggers, giving users an extra level of control when playing games on their system. The result is even more immersive gameplay than ever before. You can twist your wrist around corners or rotate your thumbs just like with traditional gamepads. This makes it easier to hold on to objects when using VR worlds and minimizes movement fatigue, so people can enjoy longer gaming sessions without discomfort. This is especially important considering how many active virtual reality titles require players to be compared to years ago, where static premises still applied within individual digital universes. Does convenience still rule supreme through user comfortability? The PSVR2 headset is the long-awaited sequel to the original PSVR and is now available for purchase. It boasts many new features including higher resolutions, frame rate upscaling technology, and an improved headband designed for better weight distribution, as well as a revised processor unit with enhanced tracking capabilities. It has HDR pass-through support and adaptive triggers for more immersive gameplay. It does require a PS5 for the best gaming experience, and many popular gaming studios offer exciting collaborations crafted specifically within PlayStation's latest hardware mechanics. With the PSVR2, gamers can explore digital realms like never before and experience games in a way that was not possible. Have you ever been curious about the difference between the PSVR2 and the Vive XR Elite? Well, don't miss out on this chance to learn more about these two virtual reality devices and which one is right for you. In the next video, we'll be comparing the Vive XR Elite and the Pico 4 to see which one comes out on top. Tune in now to find out if the PSVR2 is really the king of virtual reality or if the Vive XR Elite is the one to beat.